Hi, my name's Sam Yancey, and I'm a U.S. parent and educator, and I'm excited to share with you a new STEAM offering from Strawbridge Education that's very affordable and also super fun for taking your microbit designs with Strawbridge to the next level. This is a great resource for learning individually at home or individually at school. It includes the STEAM starter kit here that we're about to jump into and the Robotic Inventions for the microbit. So here's the STEAM starter kit, and you can already see on the front cover some of the colorful and creative designs, and this is just the tip of the iceberg of what you can make with this kit. You can see down below here the learning.strawbridge.com learning platform. It's got a little QR code to get there as well. That is where you can access all kinds of activities and lesson plans and support materials to really get you up and going with these resources. So I'm going to slide this tray out here, and you can see besides the online resources, there's an activity booklet that comes with these colorful diagrams and instructions and step-by-step labels. This is a great resource to build all kinds of projects and designs. Underneath that, there's a nice little poster here that folds out and has the different connectors and pipes and how those connect together. So this is a great way for learning the Strawbridge system. Good thing to display in the classroom, and so students can easily access that as they're learning to build with Strawbridge. Underneath here, you can see that there's a little lid that easily comes off, and they've got this so nicely organized. You can see your connectors are now bright and colorful and in a little baggie there. And then the straws, besides being bright and colorful, come pre-cut. So you really are just ready to dive in and build and create with Strawbridge right out of the box. All right, so here's the Robotic Inventions for the microbit kit, and it's got all the components displayed on the front, but let's go ahead and slide this open and see what's inside. And so first off, inside this little package here, you can see they have the robotics board and the Strawbridge microbit clip. So here is my robotics board, and the microbit, just to point out again, does not come with this kit, but just to show you really quickly that a microbit does nicely slide and click into this robotics board. It does take 3 AAA batteries. So there's your robotics board. It's got a little easy on and off switch there and some LEDs on the front to go with the LEDs of the microbit. So next inside this bag, you have the clip for the robotics board, bright and yellow, and you can just flip over the back here of the robotics board and lightly press, it just clicks on, and now I can attach this robotics board to my Strawbridge designs. You can also see the pins on the back here for connecting your motor to in just a moment. So now we've seen the robotics board and the clip. Let's go ahead and slide this open here, and you can see they have 2 nice little baggies. One is your screwdriver for screwing down your servo arm and this extension cable, so that you can have your servo motor further away from your robotics board. And then inside the bag here is your servo motor. So this is a transition servo motor that can turn, and it comes with 3 different servo arms that you can attach to the top of your servo motor. And the straws can slide easily onto those servo arms. You can see there's also 2 servo motor mounts, and so I can quickly slide those on each side of the servo motor, and that enables me to quickly and easily attach my servo motor to my Strawbridge builds. There are also 3 screws, and so there's a slot for a screw on both sides of the servo motor, and then if I'm adding my servo arm, there's also 1 more screw to screw down my servo arm so it really stays intact with my servo motor. All right, so I have a Strawbridge Drawbridge here, and this is one of the many activities and lessons that you can find on the Strawbridge learning page. Just want to show you how quickly it is to get up and running once you built your design here. So I've got my servo motor mounted to my Strawbridge design, and you can see the cable plugs in really nicely to the back pins of the robotics board. And then after I've plugged in my pin, I can easily take this clip here and I can clip my robotics board onto my structure here, and then take my microbit, and it easily just fits down into my robotics board. And then I can turn on my robotics board with this on-off switch here. All right, let's test it out. So I have this Strawbridge Drawbridge here, and it's fun making bridges, but even more fun to make bridges that are movable. So this is going to respond to a sound input that is louder than my voice. So I'm going to give a loud clap, and you can see the bridge lifts and allows boats to travel underneath, and then after a period of time closes and traffic can now travel again across the bridge. This is one of the many fun, engaging, imaginative, and real-life inventions and designs that you can make with the Strawbees Steam Starter Kit and the Robotic Inventions of the Microbit bundle.